Mobile website. This is a really, really important one as you start to see the mobile web take off. When people go to your business, like BMW of Asheville, they want to see a site that's optimized for a mobile device. It's really, really important. If they're having to squeeze on their iPhones and pinch and pull and try to find things, it's a bad experience, and that's one of the don'ts. So a website optimized to be viewed on a mobile device, Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, HTC, you name it. And we do some of this in-house here in Asheville. Now, if you want to, at Wildfire Media Partners, we can outsource some really complicated things. But if you're doing a really good, just formatted mobile website, pictures, text, video, we can incorporate all of that right in-house. One of the big things, if you take away nothing else from today, 30% of search is done on a mobile device. You're asking Google, you're asking Siri, whatever the case may be, and we'll get to that in just a few moments. 30% of search is done on a mobile device. That is a big thing to take away from today. Some of the big do's and don'ts include don't use Flash. Why? Because Apple doesn't really work very well with Flash. Some phones do, some phones don't. But Steve Jobs won the war. HTML5 is really the new programming language that's going to make the mobile web fly a lot faster. You combine that with 4G, and it's going to be a very, very different world coming up in the future. Don't use frames, little things like that. Don't do any pinching or any, you should be able to scroll up and down. You never go horizontal. So some big do's and don'ts there. And really, if you have a normal website, you get a mobile website created, how does your website detect that somebody's getting it on a smartphone or a tablet? Well, it's just a simple JavaScript code, and they throw that in the header of your website, and the next thing you know, boom, it reads it, it detects it, it displays the proper website. And QR codes work well for this as well. If you have a QR code, we'll go through some rules here in a little bit, but for the most part, at least it gives people, it takes them to your website that is optimized for mobile and gives them a chance to use your app or your mobile website as a tool for their business. So mobile websites are really important.